Hi guys, so today I am at the Leek Woods. This is the pond and there's some ducks. You guys can come closer and see the little ducks. Aren't they cute? Well, today I am going to the Leek Fairy Trail Woods. So come and join me and explore the woods with me and check out all the fairy houses with me. Oh wow, look at this. I love how the vines just take over, cover the trees and wrap themselves around the trees, kind of like my legs. So this is the fairy trail, and further on you will see fairy houses on the trees. As you can see, some of the people have cut down some of the trees, which is kind of cool. But that's just my opinion. And as you can see, first up you'll see some of the little doors that have been pinned to the trees to create the magical vibes to the fairies. And it says keep dogs on leash. And there's some beautiful portraits of animals and very antique looking doors. And as you can see, some more fairy houses. Oh, look at this one. It's so pretty. And the tree's covered in moss. And the moss is so soft. And this is a lovely red door. A fairy house style. And this is the fanciest house of all the fairies. I think the Queen Fairy lives there. And a very Tinkerbell kind of house. And this is another house. Now, for my Irish followers, I would like to know, why are here dummies? Is it something that the fairies like? Like, is it some offering? Because as you can see, pacifiers, baby pacifiers, are just left here. So, I don't know. Please let me know. And there's a house closer to the ground for the fairies that are afraid of heights. And then there's one like way out there. The Tooth Fairy lives there. So if you guys are losing any teeth, you know where to bring them. Oh, look how cute this little house is. It's smiling. Oh, and that little door's cracked. That fairy must either have an abandoned house or they are very rough. And as you can see, that little house up there has a little ladder, which is so cute. Cute little story. I used to live in a house with a rope ladder, and as you guys know, my feet are really tiny, and I would do this to feel for the next step because I would be coming down from the attic and I would feel for the next step, and my toes are so tiny. People said it looked like baby hands. And there's another door. I have no idea what that's supposed to be. And then this is a very cozy blue, midnight blue kind of vibe going for it for the ferry. Over here we have Fairy's Palace. And we have a greenhouse with party decoration for heart and some mushrooms. And we have a cute little ladybug with a red door with hearts. I think Valentine's Day fairy should live there. Cupid. And some beautiful paintings on the tree. And oh my goodness, this must be new, it's so cute. Look at that tiny little door. And a little creature, I'm assuming that's supposed to be a skunk. And a little door on top. And as you can see, most of these trees are hundreds of years old. It's so beautiful and so magical. And some more artwork of a fairy house. Now this door, I would have personally made it red and black, but blue also suits it. And here's a very interesting looking bear with a little beehive painting. And then this is really interesting. It's a little chair. Made out of a tree. Obviously. What else would it be made out of? And another little pacifier fairy collection little house. I would still love to know, guys, what does the pacifiers mean? Is it like some tradition that you have to leave pacifiers? Or, because I always thought that fairies like sweet things. I mean, I prefer salty things, but still. Oh, look at the scenery, guys. It's so beautiful. And then this door is very interesting. It gives me Dumbledore vibes. I don't know why. It just does. Oh, and look at this, it's pretty. And there's another door with some beautiful purple flowers. And as you can see, the vines travel across the wood's floors and they just take over and they creep up the trees. So guys, what's your favorite tree? Like, I love all trees, but I know some people have their own favorite trees. And a very sleepy door. And this fairy must have been drunk because its door is skewed. And over here, the door is missing, but you still have the frame. And there's a beautiful yellow door up there, giving spring summer vibes, with a gorgeous painting. Oh my goodness, look how cute this box is! Look how cute it is! Woo! And then a cute little dog there, but not as cute as this fox. Oh, look how cute that thing is! It's so cute! And as you can see, more vines creeping up. Now ahead, there is a beautiful grave. Some people have graffitied on it, which I find really disrespectful, but it's really pretty. And then as you can see, there's another little house, and an owl, the wisest of the creatures. And then we have a tiny little house made with the stump of a tree. And a little snail painting with a cute little door on top. And then this is an Irish hare. They are often spotted in forests and in wild places. And that's a little fox, and that's a crane. And up there you have a little house, which I think the Queen Fairy lives in. And up here you have a mausoleum. It's really beautiful. It's really beautiful, and I find it so interesting the way it's been built. It's like a mini castle. And they always have information boards so that you don't need to wonder what it is. And they have it in Gaelic and in English. They also have a castle, which is, I'm assuming is that way or this way. I'm a bit lost, guys. Can you help me find the way? And here's another fairy house. And I have no idea what this creature is supposed to be. I don't know if it's a cow that mated with a rabbit. I'm very confused, guys. And oh my word, this needs some Christmas decorations, because this door is just so perfect for Christmas. Don't you agree? And another cute little painting. And another beautiful door. And if you go up here, mausoleum. Oh, look, the little fox. It says hello. And a little porcupine and a cute dog. Oh, look how cute this duck is. It's so plump. It's cute. And another little dog. Just checking that you guys are still with me. Another Christmas store. I love Christmas. And as you guys can see, nature just runs wild out here. There's no human built structures or anything. Well, besides the mausoleum and the castle, but that's far, far away. And there's another very pretty flowery door. I love how they found a way to decorate nature. I love the scenery. And another little door up there. And I love these random logs. You can just sit on them and you can pose and be all fancy. And I love how soft the moss are here, because when you're walking through the forest and you feel that you need to sit, you don't need to worry about anything poking you. You can just relax, whether it be in a cute little outfit or, well, you know what I mean. It's so soft and cozy. And up there we have a door with mushrooms, and I can't make out what this is, but it's abstract painting. And a close door that's close enough for me to reach. That's what I'm trying to say. I don't think anyone's home. And there's a door up there. I think that must be new. I've never seen it here before. It looks like a church. And this painting has been broken. And there's a cute little door up there. Now, the town decorates these forests with all different kinds of doors. So we have houses which are put down on the ground, and you have houses that have been stuck to the trees. Some are big doors, medium doors, and little doors. And up here we have a cute little fairy listening in on her neighbor. She's being nosy. Shh. Oh wow. Guys, Look at this tree. Don't you just want to climb it? And I know you guys are trying to climb it, but I don't know. How would I get down? I would land on your wood. And up here we have the Fairy of Love. Look how cute that door is. Oh. Look at this house, guys. I could just shrink myself all tiny and just flap my wings and go up. This tree is so big that it's been covered with lots of little fairy doors. I would hug it, but it's covered in sap. And the sap is sticky and white. And here's a little Christmas door. Eee! Christmas! I love Christmas. Oh, another Christmas door. And my hands are all sticky, guys, from the sap that I poked. Now we are going to a beautiful place. And just over these steps is a gorgeous castle. Live in it. And this is honoring the souls of all Doreen's family's dogs. I love that they treat dogs or any animal as part of the family, because after all, they are your babies, they are part of the family. And here we have a sign that says Belize Castle. And another beautiful scene of this gorgeous tree that has some orange and browns and reds on it. And the log that has fallen. And it's just going to become one with nature again. Purple flowers. I think that they are so pretty. But let's take a little detour and check out more of the flowers. As you can tell, I'm a big nature lover. Wow. If I were any lighter, I could sit in one of these. Don't you think? Look how huge this is. Like, just so pretty. It's gorgeous. And now this is my mystery tree. So as you guys can tell, it looks like an upside down tree. I don't know what the tree's name is, but it's such a strange tree, and as you all know, I love the weird and the strange, for I am weird and strange. afternoon tea. But come along, there's the stairs over there. So many people come here for whether it be parties, tea, just a date. But it's so beautiful. Surrounded by forest, and inside the forest is a castle. Like, what are the chances? I love the way it's been built. You know, so many things they build it up now, and it's just not as good as they used to. I think this might be a maid's quarters. They don't make things the way they used to. Back in the day, oh my goodness, I sound ancient, don't I? But back in the day, they used to build things and it used to last. They used to be good quality. Ta-da! A castle. But as you can see, the castle is actually also a hotel. So if you guys would like to come and stay in a castle and have a forest in your backyard, come to Beliek Castle. Like, look at those doors. It's just stunning. Did you see those knobs on those doors? Stunning. I hope you guys enjoyed today's episode of traveling the Beliek Woods and enjoying the fairy tale and seeing the beautiful Beliek Castle. I hope you guys enjoyed today's episode, and please let me know what you would like to see next.